Ora my cuzzies, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. And today, we're off to find a spot to practice my mo Raco. Oake tātou. Yeah. Oh, this is the perfect spot to practice my Kapa Haka for my school performance. Okay, now, Matua said you have to have a strong foundation, Buzz. Wai? All right. So he said stand nice and wide like this, strong legs, hope it. And then he'd say strong arms, poke your chest out, Buzz, and hold it. Hold it. Ah, awesome. And now, for the next part of the performance, I have to do toro parawai. I'll show you the footwork. Hey, you can do the footwork with me if you want to. I'll teach you. Look, here you go. Out and flick, out, flick. Your arms go side to side, and you can even breathe with it as well too. That helps sometimes. Oh, still got it. All right, now that I have mastered the toro parawai, I get to pick up my Raco. Here we go. Oh. Check it out, my cuzzies. This is my Raco. Now, Matua also said, he said, Buzz, these Raco are a tonga, and you have to look after them. So, no stepping over it, no dropping it, and when you're finished with it, put it somewhere that is nice and safe. All right, cool. Let's put it all together. All right, Buzz the Cuz steps out onto the stage, ready for his Kapa Haka debut. Oh, toro parawai is coming up. Perfect. Oh, I wonder if Matua will let me add in some fancy flicks. Let's practice. Here we go. Whoa. Ka kite anō, whānau.